All right, so the Duromax 440. A lot of people didn't know the answer for me on the piston rods. They were saying they didn't know about the wrist pin, which is here. They're all saying, yeah, it'll fit on the journal, but they didn't know on the wrist pin, which connects the rod to the piston. On NR Racing, it says that you might have to hone the wrist pin. So we're about to find out. Just at a quick glance, they look the same size. So let's start by first. So this is the wrist pin, and this is the stock piston. Okay, it's got a nice, tight, snug, no wobble fit. All right. So this is not an ARC piston. This is another piston that I got to return actually. But since I got it here, I know this will fit the 440 Life or the 420 Life and the 420 Predator. Moment of truth. Yeah. So the wrist pin slides right in. No wiggle. Beautiful. Take this one step further. Let's measure it. So this one here measures, this is in inches, 0.79 0.790. Now we'll check the Duromax factory piston rod, and it measures, just at a quick, 0.791, 0.7, it's the same rod. So for everybody that's wondering, go out, buy your piston rods. They will fit the pistons. Rod length on this, I'm not sure of yet. I can take a quick measurement. Put this down here. Let me get it in the right way first. .327 at the tightest point. I can't, that's the stock rod, 3.327. I can't do this rod because it doesn't have the bearings in it, and I don't want to install the bearings because I have to return this rod. So 3.327 is the distance on the stock rod from the smallest point to the smallest point between the wrist pin and the journal bearing. Hope this helps. So just to wrap it up, the ARC pistons do fit the Duromax. Basically, you just got to dial it in with your length. But wrist pin, nothing to worry about. You're not going to have to go out and buy another 92mm piston just so it fits on the wrist pin. So go ahead and order your piston rods because they fit.